Hello everybody, I'm here today and I'm playing Blastone again. And I got two new items. I got this, and I got this. Oh yeah.
Mamma mia!
Oh yeah. That guy's, I don't want to lag, he's just standing there. He's just standing there. Please! Did that hit him? Ah, that didn't hit him. I have said before that I don't like people use the Anvil because it's like not a good enough weapon. Not a, I mean, it's an alright weapon. But like people say, no, people say the Anvil's pretty good, but I usually not like the Anvil because it's like you don't need any skill to use the Anvil. You just throw it at somebody and like full case, and it's just like no skill required, and that's what makes it good. I knew that would hit me with an Anvil. Man, this guy's using the same thing as me. He's using a boxing more than an Anvil. Oh, that reminds me. Earlier today, me and my family went to, like, Carlos Jr., you know? I got my, usual order. Like, it was, like, a medium fry and some jalapeno poppers. And then earlier, when, like, again, I had, and then, my sister gave me part of her hamburger. Oh, are you? And I was like, oh, damn, this is pretty good. And then Miranda gave me an entire burger, and I ate the whole thing. Oh, come on! Dang it! Yeah! Maybe I should swap to a different weapon. Hey, and I got the stage. Hold on, let me just get a quick drink of water. Imagine somebody going like, hey, what's that on your shirt? And then they look down, and then they look back up, and it's just an anvil right there. Wait, is there fall damage in this game? No fall damage, huh? I don't remember fall damage. Oh, come on! Get out of here. You just freaking box like that? This isn't even work. Hey, look at that. I don't think it is. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's like exactly what I hate about people who do Anvil. You're too good at this game. Stop being good at this game. You know? Ah. Oh, yeah. Nice, Hayden Brady. Making real quick. Oh, yeah. Oh, right. Hold on, let me just die real quick. The skeleton. Oh, no. Look at that. Look at that. That is crazy. That is insane. Oh, are you kidding me? Watch, it treats like a skeleton. Look at that. Skeleton. And the skeleton dead. He's already dead, and he's dead again. And then he, like, goes off to kill somebody. Oh, no. Or he just falls off a cliff and dies.
Surprise!
Ah!
Surprise!
Oh, are you kidding me? Skeleton barely does anything. No, and he didn't even die too. Get over here. I want to kill you with a skeleton. Oh, stand back. Why are you trying to kill me? Oh, no. Why did he just run to his own death? Watch this guy jump off a cliff. Ah. Oh, are you kidding me?
Surprise,
Ah!
mother-
I think that was my own skeleton too. What? What was that? Oh, are you kidding me? Look at this giant box here. Just throw it off the ledge. Please kill somebody. Oh, what was that? Okay, I'm switching back to the anvil. I take back everything negative I said about the anvil. Do an anvil on his head. Come on, did that fall on him? I didn't fall on him. Oh no. Whoa! Just a massive, like, onslaught of just explosions. Like, it's like 4th of July. Oh, come on. Get over here. So I can cave your skull into that anvil. Yes! Anvil. 12 kills, that's a lot. I just got it, like, yesterday, dude. Maybe not yesterday, but, like... What? Why does it say that he got killed? No, he didn't. I just died. I'm gonna switch to the metal bat, and then have the boxing gloves, and then I'm gonna see what this one is all about. Bowling ball. That's what you guys throw and don't explode. Why are they so heavy? First you drop a bowling ball on somebody, then you drop a giant box on them, then you drop an anvil. A nuke? Ah! Oh yeah. Oh! Oh, okay, he died too. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, this reminds me. One time I was playing Blast Zone, like one time playing Blast Zone like late at night, and it was like, and then this big old like floor like area, it like opened up, and there was like a big like control panel. Okay, then I'm gonna just die real quick so I can switch to the anvil. And zoom out the camera. How did I not know this? This weapon is good. I'm just gonna say it. Oh, well, this weapon. I just didn't like it because other people used it, and I always died because of it. Ah! I can now confidently say this is a good weapon. Oh, you just died. To open up, I can go in. There's like a control panel where you can go after.
Surprise, mother...
Oh, what? What was that? Okay, that was honestly kind of impressive. What? What was that? And yep, that didn't even hit. Because of course it didn't. Why would it? Die. Literally die. I'd like you to die. Please die. Yes! Also, if I really like it if you died. Yes! Oh, come on. Oh, would you like to die? I really have to die right now. Oh, come on. Why is there a skeleton here? If you were to die right now. Whoa, I would really like it if you died. Oh, come on. What was that? How did you just disappear? You just said peace. I'm out of here. Oh, come on. Why do I always forget? Appreciate it if you were to die right now. I would really like it if you were to die right now. Hello. I appreciate it if you died right now. What? Okay, good. Great. Hello, I'd appreciate it if you died right now. Goodbye. Oh, come on! Aw, yeah. Oh, this guy's dead. Oh, wait, never mind, he's not dead. Ow! Oh, yes, the floor! The floor opened up! The floor! Alright, I just need to kill everyone. Get out of here. This is my floor. Get out. This is my floor. Ow! No, 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 the floor! No! I hope that they make like a whole page about that. Because you guys need to see that. There's just an entire control panel like under that floor thing. And there's a rocket too. Probably don't believe me, but there is. Oh crap. Oh come on, you can't just I can't just do the most epic thing to be killed by this guy that looks like that. Oh come on. Look at this dude. That's probably like 3. I like crushing my enemies with heavy weapons. What's the problem with that? Oh yeah. I can't die to this guy. This guy. I need to clarify. I said this guy. Oh! I don't know. I sort of don't really like this stage because there's not really any edges. You can just sort of people. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh come on! That didn't even kill him. Okay, yeah, it did. Wait, no, it didn't kill him. It killed somebody else. Yes, finally, another stage. Oh yeah. Stand right here. Oh come on! I'm just gonna quick drink of water. And now I'm ready to get back to the game. I sort of like this stage. I think that's the first stage that Camilla plays in this game. See ya. See ya. Get out of here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I love the best messages in this game. Like I said, when I fell in the water, it said I went for a swim. Ooh, does this like fling you like off of the stage, or does it fling you into that spring right there? Get on the spring right here, and go off a catapult, and maybe hit somebody. No. No.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh yeah. Ah. Oh, what? I was like an inch away from him. Okay, I keep forgetting I have the metal bat too. Oh yeah. Oh come on. Get over here. Closer. I get it if you died right now. Oh come on. I'm just gonna kill people there. Hey. What? Why do they keep dodging that? This This guy's hacking. He is invincible. I tried to kill him and he just dodges my attacks. Bye. Oh, now it's my time to shine. Now it's my time to kill this man. Get out. This person died. Oh man. Well, it was fun, but it's time to end the video now. See you guys. Hopefully soon. This was uploaded like a month after my last video. So I need to upload more. So see you guys. Oh yeah, also. Crazy how I'm uploading in 1 month. Editor put a clip up with a funny meme.
What? It's just an ordinary crabby. Oh my goodness!
Yeah, look at that. Laugh at it. Anyways.